So hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video I will provide you a complete information related to JEE Mains 2022. As you all know, the application form for JEE Mains 2022 has been released now and you can fill the application form up to 31st of the March. And I have already provided you the live how you need to fill the application form correctly. So if you haven't checked that video, please try to check it and don't fill the form in a hurry. Me and everyone is telling the same thing, that is if you will do any type of mistake, you will not able to correct this thing later, and this year also they will not provide any type of correction window. So it is very advisable, know everything before applying. Once you do the mistake, you will regret later. Most probably you will regret during the counseling process. So I have seen all those things in the previous year with a different type of a student. That's why I am advising you, don't fill the application form in a hurry. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get all type of update about JEE Mains and JEE Advanced in the same channel regularly, and about other entrance exam, other counseling also similar to the last year. So let's start this video. So here I will provide you the complete detail about JEE Mains. That is basically I will talk about college available. As you all know, all NIT, IIIT, GFTI you will get, but there are some other colleges also that you can get based on your JEE Mains rank. And what is the eligibility criteria? So all those things I will discuss. I will also talk about the state code of eligibility and what is the application fee for JEE Mains, and seat reservation I will talk about for different type of category, and category wise cutoff as well. That is what you can expect will be the cutoff for JEE Advanced this year, and document required, that is the most important thing, and exam pattern, because there is some changes in the exam pattern this year. So I will try to discuss that thing also in this video. So let's start with the college availability. So as you all know, all NIT, IIIT and GFTI you will able to get with this exam, that is JEE Mains, but there are some other college also that you can get, but not with JOSA. With JOSA you will get only NIT, IIIT and GFTI college, but with other counseling such as Delhi, UP, SEE, you will get different type of college as well, and through MHTCET, JEE Chandigarh, Odisha JEE. So there are multiple counseling where you can apply with your JEE Mains rank. So it is very important to appear in the JEE Mains examination in order to secure a good college for you this year. So other colleges you can expect IIIT Delhi, IIIT Hyderabad, Thapar University, Amrita University, and lots of other counseling you will able to do based on your JEE Mains rank, as I told earlier. So now let's talk about the reservation of different categories. So as you all know, EWS student will have 10% seat reservation, and OBC and CL will have 27%, SC/ST will have 15% and 7.5% respectively, and PWD student will have 5% horizontal reservation. That means 5% in each category. Suppose if you are from SC PWD candidate, then there will be 5% reservation for PWD candidate from the seat of SC category, that is from the 15%. So similar for other category as well, and there will be female reservation also, because if you check the last year cutoff of JOSA counseling, then there will be separate cutoff for female and male candidate for the same college. So there will be female reservation also, and home state reservation, that is the most beneficial thing. If you are from home state of any NIT, you will have the maximum chances of getting that college with low percentile as well. So all those things I will be providing to you in the same channel, that is what will be the expected cutoff for this year for home state, other state student, and what is the last year cutoff for top 10 NIT, top 20 NIT, or all possible NIT as well. And for reference you can check previous year data in this channel itself. That is all type of cutoff data is available. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria now. So a student should have passed the class 12 or appearing in class 12 examination. There will be no age limit, and a student can appear in any one or both of the attempt. That is, if you want to appear only in the May attempt, you can appear, but if you want to appear in both the attempt, you can appear in the both the attempt as well. And if you want to appear in only April attempt, not in the May attempt, you can do that as well. So next, there is one more criteria, that is class 12 past year should be 2020, 2021 or 2022, that is you are appearing in this year. So this is about the eligibility. So now let's talk about the state code of eligibility. So sidewise all the things have been written, that is state code of eligibility will be that state from where you will pass the class 12 exam, not your native state. So if you ask me in the simple word, then I would like to tell you that if you are a student of a state A and you are completing your class 12 from a state B, then your state code of eligibility will be state B, and you will get the home state quota reservation from that state only. So keep in your mind this thing, because state code of eligibility is very important in order to get a good college based on your percentile. So this is about the state code of eligibility. Sidewise you can read all the detail have been written. So now there is a question from the student, that is how to do preparation now, because time is less and there is board exam as well, and many students are from reserved category, that is SC, ST and PWD candidate, and many students are dropper students. So how you need to do the preparation? So I would like to tell you, there can't be a general method for all the students, because different students have different type of goal and different type of personal interest, and most importantly different type of IQ level. So every student can't do the same preparation, and it is not necessary that every student should achieve 200 marks. If you are a reserved category student, then you may get the better college at less marks also, but that less marks also need some preparation. So for that I am providing a complete mentorship and guidance program to the student, and particularly to the reserve candidate, because those students needs to do a smart work now, because if you are from reserve category you need to have less marks, and how you can get those less marks, that is a decent marks, to get a better college, and it will depend on your goal also, whether you want to get IIT or lower NIT or top NIT. So all those things needs a detailed discussion, and for that I am here. So if you want complete mentorship and guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box, but only if you want, because for that you need to register with me, as already so many students are registered with me for the complete guidance and mentorship program. And particularly last year I have guided so many students to get the better college. That is, some students are in IIT, NIT, IIIT, GFTI college, and some private college as well. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box, so that it will be complete my responsibility to provide you the best out of your preparation, and after the examination I will guide you to get the best out of your rank, whatever you will get this year. So let's continue this video. So now let's talk about the document required. So here is the list of all the document that you need to have during the application of JEE Mains, but at the time of counseling you will need more document, and what will be that I will try to inform you at that time or before that as well. So there should be a recent photograph, and it should be color or black and white, both will be applicable, but your 80% face should be visible without mask, and all the criteria have been written sidewise, and the size of the scanned photograph should be between 10 to 200 KB and clearly visible, and size of signature should be between 4 to 30 KB, and the category certificate size should be 10 to 300 KB, and rest you can check sidewise. And most importantly, for PWD candidate I will provide you a separate video. So if you are a PWD student, no need to worry, I will provide you a separate video in which I will talk about everything you need to know for the JEE Mains 2022. So here one more thing, that is category certificate will be required in the given format, and if you don't have the required format certificate now, then you can put the undertaking as well, that is undertaking format also available at the last. So you need to put that, but during the next session you have to provide the original certificate to continue with that reservation. So this is about the document required. So it is very important, so be careful about the document, otherwise you may face problem during the counseling. Most probably there you may lose your reservation, and once you lose your reservation, your chances of getting the better college will be very less. So now I would like to introduce the Philo app, where you can get the solution of all your question, doubt, or you have problem with any type of concept related to JEE or NEET or boards examination. Then you can get the solution 24/7 with these 3 easy steps. That is, first you have to download the Philo app in the Play Store, and then you have to do the sign up process using your mobile number, and after that take the photo of your question and upload that in the app, and after that within 60 seconds you will be connected to the India's best educator.
क्वेश्चन में आप कहना चाहते हैं कि बल्ब की पावर कितनी है। अगर बल्ब जो है वो 220 वोल्टेज पर ऑपरेट हो रहा है, राइट। इस बैटरी का जो वोल्टेज है वो आपको गिवन है 220। तो ये आपको सिंपल रिलेशन हो गया यहाँ पर। अब अगर कोई आपको और डाउट है तो बताइए।
So without wasting your time, download the Philo app. Link is available in the description box, and use the code IEB001. You will get the 10% instant discount. Thanks. So now let's talk about the exam pattern. That is most important, because there is some changes this year in the JEE Mains 2022 exam pattern. As you all know, the nowadays NTA take the examination in multiple languages. That is total 13 languages will be there available for you. So there will be the 90 question, as you all know, last year also 90 question. That is section A will be 20 question from each subject, and section B will be 10 question. But in that 10 question you have to attempt only 5, and in earlier days that 5 question was not carrying any type of negative mark, but from this year that question will also have negative marking. So you have to be very careful during solving those questions, because that also can give you negative marks. So this was the difference in the exam pattern from last year of JEE to this year. So as you all know, there will be total 300 marks exam, that is 75 question into 4, 300 marks. Each correct answer will provide you 4 marks, and each incorrect answer will provide you negative 1 marks. So these are the thing related to exam pattern, that is 20 question will be of MCQ type, and the remaining 5, that is section B 10 question. Out of those 10 you have to solve 5 question that will be of numerical type question. So now let's talk about the most important question answer related to JEE 2022. So first question is, what will be the application fee? So application fee is 650 per attempt, that is for first session you have to pay 650. For the next session whenever you will apply you have to pay 650, that is for general, EWS and OBC candidate. But if you are a girl or SC candidate, ST candidate or PWD candidate, then you need to pay only 325 per session. And expected cutoff for JEE Advanced 2022. So as I have already provided the marks versus percentile data, and there I have provided the expected cutoff also. So same has been written here also, that is for general 85 plus will be the cutoff, that is percentile for JEE Advanced, and for EWS 64 plus, OBC 66 plus, and SC will be 45 plus, ST 33 plus, and PWD nothing. You just need to sit in the examination and you will be eligible for the JEE Advanced examination. So next question is, can I attempt any one session? So yes, it depends on you whether you want to attempt both session or any one session. And the next question is, will difficulty increase with only 2 attempts? So yes, you can compare it with the 2020. Then also there was only 2 of the JEE Mains examination. So in 2 attempts you may get better percentile at less marks also, but the competition and toughness of the paper will be high a little bit. So next is, I don't have category certificate now, what to do? So as I told you, if you don't have the category certificate now, you can make it later, but now you can provide the undertaking, that is I will provide the category certificate later. So next question, which attempt to target? First make the timetable, then decide, that is if your timetable allow for the first attempt, go for it, otherwise you can go for the second, because if you will do in a hurry you might not get the better percentile in any one of the attempts. So next is marks versus percentile versus rank and college, where you will get all those data. So all those data I will provide you time to time in the same channel. So this is about the JEE Mains 2022. So hope you find this video very useful. I have covered everything related to this, and similar type of video for JEE Advanced also I will provide you very soon in this same channel. So please try to subscribe. It's my humble request to all of you. So thanks again for watching this video. Please try to subscribe.